Hello dear children, good morning. Today we are going to do the revision of your fifth lesson, Water on Earth. All of you open your worksheets children. We are going to do revision for your exams, and today we are going to do revision of your fifth lesson, Water on Earth. See the meanings. First one. Surface, surface, surface. Surface means the outside part or uppermost layer of something. Surface means the outside part or an uppermost layer of something. We call it as surface. Second one, conserving. What is meant by conserving, children? Conserving means protect something, especially environment, because here we are talking about water on earth. So conserving means protect something, especially environment, from harm. That is meant by conserving. CONSERVING, conserving. Third one is water vapor. What is meant by water vapor, children? The water in the form of gas formed due to heating of water. The water in the form of gas formed due to heating of water. This form of gas we call it as water vapor. Fourth one, solid. SOLID, solid. Solid means firm, FIRM, firm and stable in shape, not liquid or fluid. It has a stable in shape. It has a particular shape. That we call it as solid. Fifth one, ponds. PONDS, ponds. Ponds means a small body of water formed naturally or by artificial means. Ponds means a small body of water formed naturally or by artificial means. Sixth one, frozen. FROZEN, frozen. Frozen means when a water body becomes ice due to its surrounding weather, especially due to cold weather. Frozen. FROZEN, frozen means when a water body becomes ice due to its surrounding weather, especially due to cold weather, we call it as frozen. Seventh one, peaks. What do you mean by peaks, children? The pointed top of a mountain. What is meant by peaks? The pointed top of a mountain is called peaks. Eighth one, wisely. WISELY, wisely means in a way that shows knowledge and good judgment. Wisely means a way that shows knowledge and good judgment. Ninth one, rainwater harvesting. HARVESTING, rainwater harvesting means the process of collecting and storing rainwater. We call it as rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting and storing rainwater is known as rainwater harvesting. Children, again I am going to repeat meanings. You too repeat along with me. Surface, the outside part or uppermost layer of something. Conserving, protect something, especially environment, from harm. Third one, water vapor, means the water in the form of gas formed due to heating of water. Fourth one is solid. Solid means Firm and stable in shape, not liquid or fluid. Fifth one, ponds. Ponds means a small body of water formed naturally or by artificial means. Sixth one is frozen. Frozen means when a water body becomes ice due to its surrounding weather, especially due to cold weather. Seventh one is peaks. Peaks means the pointed top of a mountain. Eighth one is wisely. Wisely means in a way that shows knowledge and good judgment. Ninth one is rainwater harvesting. Means the process of collecting and storing rainwater. Next come to fill in the blanks. See the first one. Dash is the most important source of water. So what is the most important source of water, children? Rainwater. Rainwater is the most important source of water. Second one. People use dash and dash to take out the underground water. So what do people use to take the underground water, children? See. People use hand pumps and tube wells to take out the underground water. Third one. When water is frozen, it is the dash state. When the water is frozen, it is the solid state. Fourth one. Our earth is known as the dash. Our earth is known as the blue planet. Fifth one. Gaseous form of water is dash. Gaseous form of water is water vapor. Now see, choose the correct answers, children. See the first one. The dash of Earth's surface is covered with water. Is it 1/2 or 1/4 or 3/4 or 2/2? 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. So option C is the correct one. Second question. In very cold places, water is prevented in the form of dash. So in very cold places, how water can be prevented, children? See. Is it prevented in the form of snow, water vapor, liquid, gas? Yes, snow. Water is prevented in the form of snow in very cold places. So option A is the correct answer. See the third one. There is a lot of dash present in earth. Is it light, gas, water, snow? See the answer, children. There is a lot of water present in earth. Fourth one. The dash heats the water present in rivers, ponds and seas. Is it fire, stars, sun, moon? The sun heats the water present in rivers, ponds and seas. So option C is the correct answer. Fifth question. Major parts of the earth's surface is covered with dash. Major parts of the earth's surface is covered with snow, gas, fog, water. So major part of the earth's surface is covered with water. Sixth one. Purest form of water is dash. Purest form of water is pond water, tap water, rainwater, lake water. So purest form of water is rainwater, children. So option C is the correct one. Children, once go through the today's class. We will continue the remaining revision part in our next class. Okay? Bye, children. Prepare well for your exams. Thank you.